the sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? It's 5:30 in the morning right now, and this is the last sunrise ever.
Good morning, Becca!
Gosh, this is unreal. Where's Ivan? Good morning. Good morning. Here, you go first.
Oh, thank you, babe.
Yeah, of course.
What? I ate 8.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, we're in port. Okay, obviously, I had to go out with a bang. And so today's breakfast, we're gonna make the usual, which is eggs on top of toast with jelly. Instead, we're having 2. Brennan, how do you feel?
So far, so good.
No tears yet? No. It's literally freezing. I don't know where this came from because it has been summer the whole voyage.
I told you.
Wait, that's great. Wow.
I did not just hear that.
Okay, this might be the prettiest sunrise yet.
Caroline.
What?
I'm like, there's a bridge. She's gonna be like, oh my gosh, there's a bridge. It's so cool. I don't care. 30 seconds later.
No, but like, look at it from this angle.
Just seeing all of them.
Wow, you mean underneath it?
Okay, breakfast is done. We had our egg. Drinking some coffee now. Wow, that's stunning.
You need it, Brendan.
One last lap around the whole entire ship before we leave, so
Majority have
that's what we're about to do. We have to give our IDs and our keys. This is quite literally the best thing to ever exist. Brennan wanted to make like a little yearbook for himself, and so all of the pictures were caught to resemble what we all do. So here's Ivan crying. Jack, I don't know what Jack's doing there. There's me vlogging. Amon pulling Brody's hair. Brody being crazy with lots of food. Amanda sleeping. Amanda sleeps a lot. Nicole smiling because she's always smiling. And this is so cool. So many memories. Kind of wish that I had done this. This is from alumni ball, getting ready for it. Passports have been secured. Both my stuff and my roommates is gone. This is so freaking sad. They just also did the last announcement, which we called the bing bong every time it went off. And I just cannot believe that this room is empty. I remember when I first came here on September 9th, couldn't believe that this was gonna be my home for the next 3 to 4 months. Feeling all the feels right now. I didn't put on any makeup today because I know I'm gonna cry the second that we get our stuff from the terminal and actually say goodbye to everybody. But for now, room 5037, thank you for the memories, and whoever ends up getting this room on the next voyage, treat it with love. This is the best room ever, hands down.
My name's Amon. Wait, is it recording me?
Yeah.
Okay. My name's Amon, and my favorite port was Barcelona and Cape Town. I had fun in both, so I don't know.
Port.
Well, I like them both.
Choose!
Cape Town.
Hi guys, I'm Nicole. My favorite port was Vietnam.
The Cape Town was cool. Malaysia was cool.
Port.
I'm not doing that.
Just
Favorite day? Favorite
Port.
day was in Malta though, so that's number 1.
I'm gonna say Malaysia, but
He didn't pick a port. He copped out baby behavior.
Dude.
Pick a port. Pick a port.
I like Malta. Malta was a really fun day.
So was that your favorite
Deep
port?
water solo.
Was that your favorite port? Was that your favorite day?
I don't need to be put into these boxes.
No, you do. You guys are all putting these.
alright.
I hope the future wives see that photo. That's
Alright, my name is Brennan, and my favorite port was probably also Malaysia.
Dude, we dialed Malaysian so well. That was so planned.
We did. Even though I
my god.
Caroline, you can do it.
What was it?
Fast.
My favorite port was definitely Cape Town or Vietnam.
Choose one.
Oh,
Yeah.
Vietnam. Brennan, put it in the trash.
This is the fingernail
Put it in the trash right now.
There's this little crease right here.
And I already ate one of his nose
And it's
ones.
perfect.
Put it in the
If
trash.
you had some acrylic glue or
Seven nose
something.
almond.
No.
Ew. This is not the nose almond.
Whatever's easiest for you.
Look at Robin, he's so studious. So strong. All right, we just got to our hotel. We're staying at one pretty close to the airport because we both have flights, but mine's just a little bit earlier. I really like it, and look how cute this is. We're eating Gate 43 Airport Hotel. Y'all, this view, this pool is unbelievable. I love the modern look of this whole hotel. Robin and I are gonna go out to some markets tonight. Maybe get some street food, but first we're gonna take a power nap because I don't think any of us have had actual proper sleep since being on semester at sea, especially after being back from Vietnam. So, see y'all in a bit. Woke up from my nap and we're gonna go downstairs and get a free drink because we get 2, and then we're gonna go to a street market here in Thailand. Actually mind-blowing to me that there are 3 days until Christmas. Like, I don't even know, but it does not feel like December happened at all. Even though I've been doing Vlogmas, it feels very much like Vlogmas in the sense that I'm filming every day, uploading, editing, but it does not actually feel like Christmas, and I think it has to do with being on the ship. Made it to the market. Alright, we're getting one of these lotus leaf snacks. We've seen some wicked stuff tonight. I'm feeling a little vegetarian tonight.
This is a lotus leaf snack. It's looking pretty green. It's like a pancake. Okay, it's pretty good. Try it.
We're gonna go to an actual street food market. This is like an actual market.
Hopefully though, we don't know yet.
Yeah, we'll see if this guy can take us. I think he knows where he's gonna go. By street food market. We're kind of just exploring at this point. We don't really have like a plan in mind, except for obviously getting food. Stop it right now. Oh my goodness, look at him! Okay, my heart. Stumbled upon this restaurant and it's called Guyama, G-Y-U-M-A. I'm so excited, I ordered some milk tea. Wait, that's good. Yeah. Bubble tea, that's a win for me.
Can you go get it?
Yeah. We got some snacks today. Solar dried bananas. I think this is called Podmon or something like that. It's a popular cake. Thai custard filled bun, some tamarind candy, and then Robin said that this is really good. I'm not really sure what it is, but I think there may be rice inside. So anyways, yeah, here's our little candy collection. Guys, there's no one that I would rather spend my last day here with. Good?
The sticky rice is good.
Robin and I came onto semester at sea together. We met up in Antwerp, Belgium, like the day before. Like, that's when we met for the first time. And we went on the ship together. He's one of my very first friends, and now we're ending the voyage together in Bangkok, Thailand. Very, very sweet day with him. And I'm really sad. I feel like tomorrow's gonna be very emotional. Today was already a mess. I looked absolutely disgusting at the terminal crying. I'm excited for the next chapter. I can't wait to see what everybody accomplishes. We did see this at 7-Eleven. Looks a little interesting. The logo has me convinced that it's gonna be good.
All good things must come to an end.
All good things must come to an end. On that note, I'm gonna go to bed. But if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Ciao!
Crackling wood all season.